So first things first, who are you? What's your role? Where do you work?
All right, well, my name is Billy Thompson, and I'm a DevOps and Platform Engineering Specialist for Office of the CTO, Cloud Computing at Akamai.
And Billy, on this particular occasion, on November 10th in KubeCon, you're going to be running a workshop. What's the workshop about? Why should people attend?
I won't be the one running the workshop per se, but I will be there as support for the workshop. But the workshop is going to be a capture the flag style event where you're going to build an IDP in 90 minutes the hard way, the Kubernetes way. The way that everybody wants to do it, but the hardness factor, and then really kind of what this is bringing to light is that divide between the time to value versus buying a solution in that regard or actually building it yourself and doing it the cloud native way. So there's lots to uncover with the course itself, and at the end of it I'll be showing off some cool stuff that just makes that simpler.
I also know there are going to be prizes that people can win, for hanging out and being there, and I'll definitely be there as well. So it'll be nice to see you in person. We'll leave all the details in terms of timing, but it's going to be on the morning of November 10th. So keep your agendas open for that. Spaces are limited, so we'll also leave the registration link so folks can sign up. Anything else to add, Billy, before we wrap up?
So I would add that you are going to want some familiarity with Kubernetes, just at least the basics. You'll want to show up with your computer and preferably already have the kubectl tool installed. We will go through the process of setting up some test accounts and Kubernetes clusters for you, so that part should be ironed out. But come with the idea in mind that you want to group up with a team of 3 other people, so teams of 4, and see how far you get, and that it's all sort of a feedback model that we can build on together as I show you what this looks like with the entire thing already assembled.
Well, you got that in mind in terms of prerequisites, things you want to have familiarity with beforehand. Billy, we'll see you very soon in Atlanta. Take care.
All right. Thank you.